So we found on our MT07, 2021 MT07, is these MZS aftermarket levers. When you put this in here, you hear that? That's going to be for your tail light. Now what happened is, the way this is designed is this is just slightly too far this way. So when it's engaged in here and all the pins are in here, it appears as though your brake light is on the whole time. The brake light mechanism is down here. What happens is, when it's pushed in, the brake light is off. When it's out, the brake light is on. So this is just machined a little bit not great. So what we've done is we've seen some people that just take some electrical tape or some other stuff and just wrap it around. Well, eventually that's going to not work. You know, the adhesive is not going to work. It's not going to stick here. This is smooth aluminum. So what we did is we took some heat shrink, cut it, and wrapped it here. I'll show you how that works. Okay, so here's the heat shrink. We've already got 2 layers on there now. Okay, we just cut, which is probably about half an inch or so, and we're going to slide this onto here. And 3 layers is about all I can get on there, because it kind of wedged it on there. So you take that, and we're going to take our heat gun here. You can see how the heat shrink will form on there, right? You can really use heat shrinks for tons and tons of stuff. And now, instead of tape, which is, you can use tape, it's ghetto, but you're welcome to do so. This is going to be much cleaner of a look here. So, we'll get right back to the bike. So get in close here. We'll turn this on here. Way down here. You see this button? Right there? Okay, you can see behind here, if you just pan a little bit, here we go. So when you push the button in, brake goes off. Button out, brake is on. So we want it out. So we just need to make up just a couple of tiny little millimeters. So we're going to take our lever for you European people, or lever for us in Oklahoma. So now I'm just going to put that in there temporarily. You can see it works now. This shrink wrap solution is going to last us significantly longer than taping it. Well, that's a good choice. Just go get yourself some shrink wrap. It's really cheap. Go to Harbor Freight. It's almost nothing to buy it. And fix it the right way. There you go. Any questions? Put them in the comments.